Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. This week is going to be a little bit different for two reasons. One, this is not a tutorial. This is actually an entry for a contest that is being held by ellimacsSFX. The premise of the competition is to take one of her tutorials and recreate the look yourself and use that as your entry. When I saw this competition, I was extremely excited to be a part of it. And for whatever reason, I decided I was going to go for one of her ninja level videos. I decided to do the shape of water. So much went wrong with this, guys, in the creation, and I had such a limited time because I'm also a full-time flight attendant, and I got sent on a 4-day trip right when I started sculpting this, so I had a day to create all these prosthetics, a day to paint them and apply them. And the second thing that went wrong is in my haste, I did what I knew I shouldn't have done, and I did not prep and cover the eyes before I sprayed this to give the glossy appearance and to seal in the color since I was painting latex. I made it to where you can no longer see through the lenses. So instead of applying it to myself as you would normally see in a video, the second difference is I luckily have friends that I can text out of nowhere who are very okay with me texting them saying, hey, can I turn you into a monster today? And they always respond with hell yes. And so my friend Erica showed up, let me turn her into this glorious creature. And so you're gonna be seeing her in the video, and then my friend Taylor came for moral support and playing music for us the whole time. I hope you guys enjoy this. I was so excited to be involved in this competition, so here is my video for my entry for the Ellimax 1 million competition for the shape of water.
I was never a normal person, so this is what I look like on a regular basis.
This is your face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like it and subscribe. I still have the video coming for this week, so that will be uploaded here in the next few days, and there's still going to be 2 videos a week, every week up until Halloween, just to give you guys all those fun options for the holidays. So thank you so much for watching.